Cogwheel is a 3D object, again found in the built-ins and the primitives tab. If I click on the cogwheel, it takes us into the cogwheel editor. And again, the first option we have is use LOD, which we can enable or disable. And when I drag the cogwheel down, all you basically see is this almost a little rectangle there. So I'm going to go in and rotate this a little bit, and also I'm going to drag a material onto our cogwheel so that we'll be able to see it a little bit better. Now the tessellation is set to 3 by default. You can increase it or decrease it if you want. There's a corners button. If we increase the corners, it basically increases how many little spokes you have on the cogwheel. There's also a height. As we increase the height, we can increase the height of the whole cogwheel itself. The tooth height set to 10 by default. If you can increase or decrease it, it basically increases the tooth height of the cogs. There's a diameter. If you increase or decrease the diameter, it will adjust the diameter of the cogwheel as a whole. And if you want to add a hole in the middle, there's a hole option. So you can increase the number in the hole here and add a hole in the cogwheel. You can adjust the bevel. As we adjust the bevel, it also adjusts the inner bevel. There's an option for that you can turn off if you want. Also an option to show top, which will turn the top of the cogwheel off. Also an option to show bottom, which will turn the bottom of the cogwheel off. The cogwheel has its own built-in center point. By default, it's set to center. You can also change it to bottom and top. The cogwheel has a lot of different options. You can make a lot of different shapes just by changing out the height, the tooth height, the number of teeth or corners, and the diameter. Adjusting the hole even gives you more options, so there's a lot of things that you can experiment with and a lot of different shapes that you can make.